Hello, class. The problem we have today is, what is the perimeter of a figure with the vertices at, and they give you 4 different vertices, okay? Now, if you get this on a test or quiz, I actually put a little graph type thing below, but you can actually quickly just draw that, okay? And just remember, the way these work is, on the vertices, the -5 is x, and the 2 is y, okay? And now the x, just so you can keep this in mind, the way you always tell which line is the x and which is the y, I always look at the x, it runs left to right, or right to left, whichever way you want to go, but it goes right across the paper. So I think cross the paper, okay? So that's how I always remember which way goes x and which way goes y. Okay, so hey, let's put some marks on this paper and we'll find out what the perimeter is. And remember what the perimeter is, it's the distance around this figure, okay? So you add up all 4 sides and that's perimeter, okay? Unlike the area, you do height times length times width, okay? But this, you just add up all 4 sides and that's the perimeter. So let's figure this out, okay? So we go over to -5 on the x line and we go +2. So I'll put a little dot there. Okay, let's get this pen going. Pen, and a black dot, okay? So we got 5, -5, and 2. So there's a black dot right there. Okay, now the next one is -5, -1. Okay, so that's going to be right down in here. Okay, so we put a little dot down there. Now we go 1 and -1. Okay, so we go 1 on the x and -1. -1 right here. Right there. Okay, so we get a little dot there. Okay, and now we go 1 and 2. 1 and a +2. So we get a little dot there. So let's connect all these things. Go straight down and down like this. Now we go straight across. Okay, straight across. And we go straight across. Now let's count how big we got. We got 1, 2, 3. So we got height, width is 3. So we got 2 sides with 3. And now let's see the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we got 2 with 6. So let's add this up together. 18. Okay. Doesn't say inches or anything, so it's actually just 18. And that's the total thing. So it's just 18. And that's the answer. Okay. That was kind of easy, huh? Okay. So just remember, you just do your own little graph paper if they didn't supply you with this, and your own little marks, and you can solve it, okay? And that was all there was to it. Now, if they wanted the area, okay, it'd be length times width, okay? And that's how many squares you'd have in this thing, okay? So, but they wanted perimeter, and that's the distance around, okay? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'll help my YouTube ratings. And remember what I always say is, math can be fun. Thanks. Bye-bye.